Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. My brothers and sisters, I'm sure all of us for the last few years have been hearing about renovations for generations, and how Al-Hijrah is going to improve and update the current facility. And it has taken many years. The purpose of the whole project of renovation was that we use the slogan Renovations for Generations. Our community is getting older, so making it user-friendly, making it friendly for people who are on wheelchairs, making it friendly for families with children, making it friendly for our youth and for our children. And so in a way, transforming Al-Hijrah in a way that it can help and cater to the community, inshallah, for another 20-25 years. And that was the whole project that we came up with, Renovations for Generations. Alhamdulillah, I can tell you that we are still on the course to improve the current facility and make it user-friendly, make it family-friendly, and make it handicap accessible and handicap facilities that we people can utilize and benefit from the current place with much improved bathrooms and everything, inshallah.